Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup Madras Samayal style, step by step. We will begin by gathering our fresh ingredients, like 5 to 6 ripe tomatoes, 1/2 of an onion, and a small piece of ginger. Next, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add 1 bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of whole pepper, and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Sauté the ginger, garlic, and onion for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Now, let's build those delicious flavors. Add 1/2 of a chopped carrot, along with your 5 to 6 chopped tomatoes, and a pinch of salt to the pan. Cook this mixture for about 2 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to soften beautifully. Then, pour in 2 cups of water, cover the pan, and let it simmer gently for approximately 6 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial for extracting all the wonderful essence from our vegetables. Once your vegetables are tender, let the cooked mixture cool down slightly. Remember to remove the bay leaf before proceeding. Carefully transfer the cooled mixture to a blender and process it until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. This is key for that restaurant-style texture. Afterwards, strain the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down to extract all the liquid and leaving behind any fibrous solids. This ensures a silky smooth consistency. For the grand finale, let's perfect the taste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar to your strained soup. Bring the soup to a gentle boil for about 5 minutes, tasting and adjusting the seasoning as needed. Just before serving, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. This adds a lovely richness and creamy texture. Serve your delicious Madras tomato soup hot, perhaps with some crispy croutons or a sprinkle of fresh coriander.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.